Hello mga kaibigan! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Briton Journey. Today mga kaibigan, nandito mo naman po kami sa project ni Briton sa kanyang DIY. Today is September 8, 2021. 6, sorry. September 6, 2021. Current time dito is about 3:30 in afternoon. Yan, nakikita nyo naman po sa background si Briton, nag-uumpisa na po mag-sanding down sa kanyang plaster. Yan. Is already put some refill sa ating wall dito. Nakikita nyo po yung mga patch-patch na yan. Hangan. You see those patch? He's already refilled them. And then now, today, he's gonna be sand it down. Smoothin niya po yung wall. Yan po yung gagawa niya this afternoon. He's at work as well early this morning. Ayan, tingnan mo yung costume niya.
So, Batman, you were made in the dark, but I was born in the dark.
Ayan po. Yan. Pakita ko clearly. Ayan. I-clarify ko po yung ating video. This part, mga kaibigan, is already done then. Couple months ago, we take that wallpaper off, and then he plastered them, and then he paint them already. It's like a midnight gray, that color, and we put plain white on top.
Brilliant one.
Yeah, brilliant white, the color. So, all around them, nakikita nyo naman po mga kaibigan, all around them, he done them already. On top there, yeah, he's already done them. Yan, we already put cover there sa lounge natin ng plastic. So that's not going into our lounge. And then this part, mga kaibigan, he's already done the top. Just only need to be sorted out sa bottom parts na po. Ayan. That's arch. I'm thinking to make a computer room dyan, mga kaibigan. Let's see how it goes. Once it's all done, mga kaibigan, give me a suggestion or comments where the best to put our computer. So, yan po, mga kaibigan ng art. Tapos, our cabinet there. Yan. All the way there. Yan ang gagawin ni Briton. Yan. Yan pa po. Hindi pa yan natapos. Yan po. This part na lang po ang gagawin ni Briton. Yan. Yan yung door natin from the kitchen. That's the door to leading to the kitchen. So, all the way from there, and down there. That window, you can see in our back garden, mga kaibigan. Yan po yung DIY project ni Briton na gagawin for today. In the moment, i-sand it down niya lang muna, so that mag-smooth ko, and then after that, he's gonna do, paint them white color. So, ito lang muna yung ating DIY agenda today. It's so dusty here, mga kaibigan. So, I need to go out in a minute. Wala. Ang init.
It's getting too dusty now, babe.
Yeah, it's too dusty. So, ayan po. Ipakita ko na lang po sa inyo mamaya pagtapos na po si Briton. So, ito lang po muna yung video niya. Because I can't stay in this area. It's so dusty po, mga kaibigan talaga. I'll see you a bit. Mga kaibigan, ito na po yung nagawa ni Briton. Update lang po. Current time na. It's about 15 past 5 in afternoon. So, Briton done all the way there to sand it down. How long it took you?
Too long.
2 hours, I think. Yeah, 2 hours. He's starting 3:30, 4. Nearly 2 hours din, mga kaibigan. Ayan. Now, he's already hovered our floor. And then, he's dusting now, cleaning up all the skirt boarding and also the doors, the bay window. Yan. That's our back garden, mga kaibigan. Yan. Yan po yung kasibo natin. Yan, it's really nice day, mga kaibigan. Yan po. So, next time po, yung update natin, mga kaibigan, magpipaint na po si Briton. gonna paint that one. I don't know how long it will take him. That's him now. He is drenched. And it's really warm day, mga kaibigan. It's the first time today na it hot day. So, sweating si Briton. Bless him. Ayan na po mga kaibigan. Ayan na po siya. Nearly there. Ayan. So, ito na. Okay mga kaibigan, dito na po magtatapos ang ating munting vlog, DIY sa aming dining area, sand it down. Yun po, thank you very much po and shout out to all my organic subscriber at saka sa new subscriber. Thank you very much. Hope you still supporting our small YouTube channel. And also, shout out to mga kagala vlog-vlogan. Shout out to Annalyn T. ALS. Congratulations for your 1K subscriber. Ayan. Shout out to Jobs Mampusti TV. Shout out to Phil Irish. And shout out to Bisayang Dako UK. And more pa mga kaibigan. Also, shout out pala kay Tisay in America. Yan. Sila lang po yung always na pamanood ng ating mga vlog. Thank you very much. Take care and keep safe everyone. Bye for now.